Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can contact Shein's customer service. So for that you need to open up your Shein app and then go to Me section by clicking on the bottom Me, and after that you will see this option of support on more services section. Just click on this support. After that you can select the issue that you are facing. Suppose you are facing an issue which is related to delivery, so you can just click on it and find all the FAQs related to it. And if you want to talk to the customer executive, then you can just simply scroll down and here you will find this option of customer service. Just click on it. It might take a while to load it up. After the load is complete, you can type your message over here and send it, and the team will respond. Or you can also select the option of account issues if you have account issues. And this is how you contact customer service of Shein. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.